Hi, my name is Dieffenbachia and I'm the author of Toxic Electricity. I'm here to review this smoke detector experiment. Now, a few years ago I bought a smoke detector here in Tucson, Arizona. It's made in China, and I put it next to some plants. All the plants died. So I moved the smoke detector outdoors and put it next to a cactus. And the following year the cactus showed significant stress. So after exposing the cactus, I exposed 2 of these plants to the smoke detector. So this one got a day of exposure, this one got a month of exposure, and this one got no exposure because it's the control. Now all 3 plants were bought at the same shop at the same time. They're actually a few years old, and one of the things that you'll notice is that both this plant and this plant have out-accelerated the growth of this plant. And there's something else going on with these 2 plants, and that is the colour of the chlorophyll in the stems. And on this one it's actually almost white, and it's not as white on this one, but it's certainly not the green of this one. So this one has the darkest green growth in its stem, and the one that got the month exposure is much lighter, and the one that got a day exposure is actually almost white. So I thought that was very, very interesting. And it's quite apparent that there's an accelerated growth effect going on in the 2 plants that got the radiation exposure from the hot smoke detector that I own. And I've actually tested a number of smoke detectors now, approximately 10, and only one of them is hot. So this is a very unique smoke detector that I own, and it is definitely having an effect on plants. I actually took it down to the university, and it actually has far more counts coming out of it compared to the ones that don't deform plants. So I found that very, very interesting. And the interesting thing about this experiment was I started it in October 2013. So it's now the beginning of April 2014. So it's approximately 6 months on, and the experiment where all the plants died, they actually died around 9 months, and they started showing significant stress after about 6 months. So we may actually see that occur in this experiment. So we're going to leave this experiment growing for now. I'm going to monitor it, and as soon as I have any more information on this experiment, I will do another update. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.